Hello, my name is Austin Fox and welcome to another video. So I just got my Xbox working and my original one, the original Xbox working. And if you can hear it already, this is what happens. It happens randomly with your Xbox. It will randomly make these noises. Let me see if I can do this. And I can hear it too, but I'm not sure what the hell's wrong with it. This has been happening. This happens to a lot of Xboxes apparently, I researched, so for some reason the original Xbox does this. I have no clue why, but it does. I've also been trying to eject my Xbox One. I just searched the video and put the little paper clip in the little hole over here. It doesn't work. You can hear that still. That's fucking creepy as hell, but this is another video about Xbox, and it's Xbox, so yeah, goodbye. It's fucking creepy.